Hey there, Yogi. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do Wild Thing and hopefully to make it a lot easier. All right, so the first way we're going to get into it is by coming onto the hands and knees. Now bring your left hand directly under the left shoulder, okay? Actually, up in front of your left shoulder, but in line with it. All right, place all the knuckles down. Now your left knee's in line with the left wrist. Let the left foot fall back behind you as you extend the right foot out. Open up the hips, coming into modified side plank. Now we're going to make our way to side plank. Bring your right foot in front, extend the left foot back. Now you're on the knife edge of the left foot. Lift the hips up. Okay, stay there, or bring the foot that's in front behind you. Boom, you're in Wild Thing. Lift the hips up, reach the top arm up, open up the chest. All right, so that's the first variation. Start practicing that, and as that becomes easier, you can try it this way. So coming into it from your downward facing dog. Bend your knees pretty deeply. Lift your right foot up. Bend the left knee a little bit more. Now you're going to start to bend the right knee kind of back behind you as you open up your hips. Tent the right fingertips. Place the foot behind you. Start to flatten the feet as you point your toes forward or backward, actually. It's kind of forward, but towards the back of the mat. Lift the hips up, open the chest, reach the arm up and out. Now, as that feels good, then you can start to do it with more straight legs. So right foot can come up, you can roll into your side plank, let the foot fall behind, open the hips. All right, so I hope that helps. Let me know which variation you're working on today.